What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got OPPO Find N foldable smartphone and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box where we'll have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. As you can get the idea just by looking at this retail box that the device we got is quite premium. On the top we got this OPPO Find N branding that comes with 3D effect. It is a bit elevated from the flat surface of the retail box. There is a few things written in Chinese because this device is actually commercially available only in China. And that's why on the retail box there's just few text and all of them are in Chinese. And once you open the box, here you will see the internal setup of the OPPO Find N retail box. So here once again something is written in Chinese, maybe the name of the device, it's in Mandarin. Here you can see designed for Find. If you have a look from the side, you can see once you open the box, this part comes up at a particular angle and that gives a very premium vibe to this experience. Here is our OPPO Find N. Here we got a 33-watt charger. Here we got some quick start guide, user manuals and a SIM card tray ejector pin as well. All of these user manual, quick start guide, warranty card etc. are in Mandarin as you can see here. And here is a USB Type-C cable. So that's all we got inside the retail box of our OPPO Find N. The USB Type-C cable, the smartphone, some quick start guide, user manuals with a SIM card tray ejector pin and a 33-watt charger. So here is our OPPO Find N. I'm going to switch on the device and do the quick setup and after that we will have a look on the device. So now the setup is done and we are at the home screen of our OPPO Find N. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So OPPO Find N is a foldable smartphone, so it comes with a foldable display and there is something I have just noticed that the effect of the wallpaper is really nice. When I'm folding the screen, this flower in the background, it's getting contracted, it's going down, and while opening it, it's popping up. Let me show you how it is. You see it's closing, it's going down, and when I'm opening it's popping up again. So this is giving a very nice visual experience. It's looking beautiful. So this one is quite nice. I hope there are more wallpapers like that on our OPPO Find N. So here we got the primary display that is 7.1 inch in size. If you fold it, here we got another display that is 5.5 inch in size. The cover screen is slightly curved on this side and the bezels are very thin as you can see. So on the front side basically we are just getting the whole 5.5 inch screen. We also got a 32 megapixel front facing camera. On the cover screen, the primary screen also comes with a 32 megapixel front facing camera. So we got two front facing camera on OPPO Find N, one on the cover screen and one on the primary screen. At the top we got some antenna lines, a microphone. At the bottom we got the dual nano SIM card slot. We got the USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, some antenna lines, and we got the stereo speaker setup. And the design of this stereo speaker setup is a bit different and kind of useless because both speakers are on the same side of the device. So when it is folded, as you can see, the sound is coming from here. So if you're holding the device, we got the bottom firing two speakers. So the loudness will be obviously more at the bottom, but there won't be any stereo effect because both speakers are provided on one side at the bottom. If you unfold the display, it will be the same story as the display will be on the same side whether you are holding the device like this or like this. The speaker will be either this side or at this side. So the stereo speaker setup is losing its purpose in this device on OPPO Find N. It should be one here. So if you are holding the device like this, there will be some stereo speaker effect while holding like this, or even when it is in folded state and we got one speaker here, that would be much better and it will create a stereo speaker effect for sure, but right now I don't think it's gonna work that way. The cover screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied. The frame is made of aluminum and it comes in glossy finish that looks quite beautiful and eye-catching for sure. On the back side, we got this sandblasted Gorilla Glass Victus back panel that is very smooth and it feels so premium while touching it. We got this shiny OPPO branding at the bottom that also looks quite beautiful and premium. We got the triple rear camera setup on the back panel, and the camera module elevation is very low. It comes with the Find N branding right below the dual tone dual LED flash. We got a microphone and 50 MP branding as well. Since this is a foldable smartphone, we need to talk about its hinge mechanism as well. So this is the hinge we got on OPPO Find N, and you can see that once again it comes with design for Find branding, and the indentation looks quite beautiful on this device, and the glossy finish feels good while touching it as well. Once you unfold the device, the hinge totally disappears on OPPO Find N, and this is the reason that we get a creaseless display on OPPO Find N, unlike many other foldable smartphones that we have seen so far. Even when the screen is turned off, it is extremely hard to locate where is the crease on the display of OPPO Find N. Even while touching it, you won't feel the crease on this device. So this is one of the most important thing and improvement over other foldable smartphone currently available in the market, that the crease is totally gone. Another thing is that once you fold the device, you can see that the top and bottom end, or the other sides of the display, they are meeting perfectly and there is no gap, not on this side, not even on this side. It's totally flat, and this is once again making OPPO Find N better compared to all other foldable smartphones, because you will always find some gap once you fold the device. So the gapless folded state of OPPO Find N provides a very nice visual experience, and it also helps in holding the device because the device is totally flat. It's not like the thickness is more here and it's less here because of the hinge mechanism. It's pretty solid and it feels so good while holding the device in hand. But one drawback here is that OPPO Find N is not waterproof and it does not come with any IP rating. OPPO says that the device is still splash resistant, but considering the fact that this is a pretty expensive device, it's better to keep it away from any kind of humidity or source of water. Here you will find the power key, under which the fingerprint sensor is also embedded, and here we got the volume rockers. The position of the fingerprint sensor is perfect while you are holding the device in the folded state, and same goes with the unfolded state as well. If you are holding it like this, the position of fingerprint sensor is perfect for your thumb. So in terms of design and build quality, OPPO Find N is the best foldable smartphone if we just ignore the fact that it does not come with any official waterproofing and the position of the stereo speaker setup is kind of useless. Other than these 2 points, OPPO Find N is a pretty solid device as it comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the cover screen as well as the sandblasted back panel. The hinge mechanism is so great that you don't get any crease on the display of OPPO Find N, and in the folded state you don't get any gap between two screens. The device fits perfectly in hand, and once again it makes it better compared to other foldable smartphones which are pretty huge even after folding the device, and it is extremely hard to use them with one hand. Talking about the display, we got a 7.1-inch foldable AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus compatibility, and the maximum peak brightness of 1000 nits. With 88% screen to body ratio, the PPI you will get is 370, and that's quite nice because you get very sharp viewing experience on OPPO Find N. The viewing angles are also very nice. The 120Hz refresh rate provides an extremely smooth visual experience, and as a foldable smartphone, the best part is that there is no visible crease on the display of OPPO Find N, and even while using the device, when you are moving your finger on the display, you won't feel any crease, any indentation in the center of the screen like we get usually on other foldable smartphones. Talking about the cover screen, we got a 5.49-inch AMOLED display that is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. But one drawback here is that this is a 60Hz display, while we got a 120Hz display as the primary screen. But still the display quality is very nice. The colors are punchy, the viewing angle is nice as well, and the 18:9 aspect ratio is perfect for daily usage. Since this is a foldable smartphone, OPPO is providing lots of screen related features and options that you can use to improve your productivity by fully utilizing the huge foldable display of OPPO Find N. We will have a look on all of these in our detailed review of the device, but right now I'm just giving you a quick idea that we got some options that you can use to improve your visual experience and productivity on OPPO Find N when it comes to display. Now talking about the hardware specs, OPPO Find N comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. We got the most high-end variant of the device. So this OPPO Find N comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. As you can see here, that it also comes with RAM expansion feature, and you can increase the RAM as much as 7GB on this device. The device is powered by Android 11 and ColorOS 12. ColorOS 12 is pretty feature rich. It comes with lots of options that you can use to improve your productivity on this device, and it also comes with OPPO's new Brino personal assistant that provides lots of options that you can once again use to improve your productivity on this device. So I will talk about all of them in a separate video, but right now I'm just trying to give you a quick glance of the features we got on OPPO Find N here. If you go to the home screen, as you can see that it comes with lots of OPPO applications like music, reader, we got the game center, app market, theme store, wallet. Under featured you will find Brino shortcuts, health, smart home. As you can see, there is no Google applications folder, no Chrome, no Play Store, because this is a Chinese device right now and it is not launched in other markets. So the Google Play Store is not available on this, but I will also make a separate video that how you can install Google Play Store on OPPO Find N if you are planning to buy this device before any international launch. On the next screen, once again you can see we got the Brino, My Files. Under tools you will find some productivity related applications, and we got My OPPO application and two more OPPO applications. The names are written in Mandarin, so once again I don't know. We got TikTok pre-installed. We got Weibo, some Chinese region specific applications. Same goes here as well. Lots of Chinese applications are there. UC browser I can recognize. So I will have a look on all of these additional applications and what exactly are their functionality in our later videos. But right now this is what we got on our device, and I'm just trying to give you a quick idea about the software side of our OPPO Find N here. And as you can see, it's very smooth. The user interface is super smooth here on our OPPO Find N. Now talking about the camera, as we have already talked about that OPPO Find N comes with two front-facing camera. Both of them are exactly same, and depending on your preference you can use either the one on the main screen or on the cover screen. If you go to the back panel, here we got the triple rear camera setup. So the primary one is a 50 megapixel camera with multi-directional PDAF optical image stabilization. We got a 13 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and then we got a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. If you launch the camera app, we will get the standard OPPO user interface in the camera. So you can see that it comes with, a 0.6x ultra wide angle lens. We got 2x optical zoom, and then you can move further and you can go as high as 20x zoom. As you can see here, we got the portrait mode, we got video. You can record 4K resolution videos up to 60 FPS. It comes with ultra HD mode. We got the AI highlight video. And then there is the night mode provided that comes with once again the tripod mode. The wide angle and 2x optical zoom is available for the night mode as well. If you go to the mode, here you will see the pro mode, pano mode, movie. You got slow motion, dual view video, time lapse, text scanner, and the Brino scan is available in the user interface as well. If you just open the unfold the device, so this is the user interface you will see. So this is slightly different compared to the cover screen because the camera modes are moved on the right hand side, but the options are exactly in the same pattern. We can go to more, you will get same options. Instead of the top, you will get all of the options on the right hand side here. Here you can turn on or off all of these options that we got here. And here at the top you can see that we got two special icons. So if you turn on the preview mode, then whatever the lens is capturing, it will be visible on the cover screen. Then the person of whom you are taking the picture, he can look at himself in the cover screen and he can pose accordingly whether he is looking good or bad. Another good feature is that it comes with this second option that makes it multi-window. So it will open the gallery on the left side and the camera viewfinder will be on the right side. So you can have a look on the pictures you are capturing on the left side and you can still quickly capture pictures on the right side. So this is quite nice feature here for sure. And since we got the exact same primary camera on OPPO Find N that was on OPPO Find X3 Pro, I assume the camera quality is going to be pretty solid, but here it's just first impression videos, so we will have a look on the camera performance of the device in our detailed review of OPPO Find N, that how good it's going to be in our daily usage under different circumstances, and we will have a look on all of these camera modes and their performance as well that we got on OPPO Find N. Overall, OPPO Find N is looking the best foldable smartphone that is currently available in the market for multiple reasons. The screen size and the aspect ratio of the primary screen as well as the cover screen is very nice compared to other foldable smartphones, and you can easily use the device on daily basis. The build quality is pretty solid, it's beautiful, comes with a gorgeous primary screen, a more sensible and practical cover screen. When the device is folded, you won't see any gap between the screens, and the primary screen is totally creaseless. The camera module is also pretty solid and way better compared to other foldable smartphones, and the color OS 12 is also quite secure. So this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of OPPO Find N are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live, and I will see you guys next time.